It's fairly beautiful out here, I'm not gonna lie. Alright, so for my last video I haven't cleaned it, and we're doing a little experiment here where you can see I'm completely burnt. However, the reason I'm doing that is to make this sausage bratwurst have that kind of smoky texture that you normally get. Alright, that was only just a couple minutes, enough to get this cheese really nice. My brat's out, screaming. And of course, wouldn't be a complete brat if we didn't have ketchup. Woo! Sorry, I'll clean it, I promise. Sorry. Alright, this is it. Pay my respects. That's so cool. And all the way up the scaffolding. So there's that. And a nice little pew. And let's go ahead and do our sign-in.